Before watching this video, I really want you to support this video, hype this video, and really like this video, because I have edited the whole video and I don't know how it got corrupted in InShot, and I had to like edit it again, so I have edited it twice. So please subscribe and make sure you like this.
Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. It's Unfiltered with Tasha. So I went to Samir Raina's watch party today, and was it really worth going to a watch party, or like rather watching his show on Netflix or YouTube? So I'm going to share my personal experience with you. Firstly, please see these clips.
Hey everyone, good morning. So आज मेरा ये व्लॉग बनाने का पर्पज़ ये है that I did a silly mistake, and which I'm going to like, that's how I'm going to spend my day today. So it's like, if you know India's Got Latent, you know that show came on YouTube as well as on Netflix, and recently the one episode was posted on members only. So I was just scrolling through Instagram. I saw the Samir Raina's story, and he was posting this thing that tickets for watch party. I was literally not aware of what does really watch party is. I once had this thought that they might come or something like that, but it's not like that. It's just that people like the way we watch movie. It's just the same. So I booked the ticket, and it cost me around 546 or like around 600. So I freaking wasted my money, because the irony is I have the subscription of Netflix, I have the subscription of YouTube, and like premium subscription of YouTube, and also I had the subscription, I have bought his members only as well. So there is no point of going there. But yeah, if like I have booked the tickets and it cannot be I cannot get any refund, so it's like I have to go, because I have फूको my money there. So I'm going now. Let's see क्या होता है watch party में. And one of my friend also gave me the dare that you should shoot in public, and I don't know why he believes in me, but yeah, let's see if I really will be able to do it or not. So रात को बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हुई थी, इसलिए अभी उठी हूँ. Now just get ready for the watch party. I hope मुझे मज़ा आए. I'm just hoping मेरे पैसे वेस्ट ना हो, but I feel like हो चुके हैं, और अभी आने जाने में और होने वाले हैं, because I am in Panchkula and the venue is in Chandigarh. Yeah, the venue is in Chandigarh. So it's around, I guess, 11 to 12 kilometers. So let's see. And another one thing happened with me, and which was like when I was about to refund, like I had this thought that क्या पता refund हो जाती हो ऐसा करके, and I went to the app, district app, where I bought this ticket. So I gave them they asked for cancellation reason, and I'm like, I have the Netflix subscription and I don't have any friends, so I don't want to go there and watch it. It's just waste of money as like, okay. And then they're like, no, you go now, we cannot cancel it, you go, and then you'll make the new friends. Now let's see how many new friends I make there. It's just the bullshit, yeah. But yeah, I love the show, that's why I'm going. I really love the show, and I also admire Karan Aujla as well. So let's see how it goes. Is it worth the money, the watch party, or not?
Yeah, man, look at y'all. Look at y'all. Let's keep going. Come on. यार तेरी अच्छा साथ साथ गाओ ना मेरी कौन सा बॉयफ्रेंड गाए साथ साथ तेरे को गाना पड़ेगा ना आ जा बेटा
Wild scenes. Okay, see if Miller's is open, we can drink downstairs and do that.
क्या मशीरा पजामा फसा बोले दिल के उल्टा पैरों को टिकाना पड़ा गया पानी पीने तो दम्बल गोईले You are making same noise.
So I just got back and it was not that fun. Honestly, 550 तो worth it नहीं था, for sure. And this was the venue. It was cool. Honestly, मैंने जितना अच्छा सोचा था उतना अच्छा था नहीं और आई थिंक मेरे को घर पे नेटफ्लिक्स पे बैठ के देखने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता. These aesthetic backgrounds are here and I'm also trying to record it but honestly district मुझे कोई फ्रेंड नहीं मिला यहाँ पर. And that was my outfit. Why I decided to go. So मैं रात को जागी हुई थी 11-12 बजे के करीब एंड समय ने एक स्टोरी पोस्ट करी जिसमें उसने वॉच पार्टी की लिंक्स दिए. उससे पहले मुझे नहीं पता था कि वॉच पार्टी क्या होती है. सो आई थॉट कि शायद वो लोग आते होंगे वहाँ पे कुछ मीटअप वीटअप होता होगा. दैट्स वाई आई जस्ट मतलब पैनिक करके मैंने टिकट बुक कर ली. सो दैट्स हाउ आई डिसाइडेड टू गो देयर. But then I realized that watch party is not something like that, as you have seen my video. So watch party is not something like that. It's just कि तुम्हारे सामने एक छोटी सी स्क्रीन लगाई होती है एंड देन वहाँ पे बहुत सारे सिमिलर लोग आते हैं एंड वो बैठते हैं एंड वो इन्जॉय करते हैं शो को. So that's how I decided to go. Secondly, how is my venue experience? तो मैं गई थी it's Sector 7. I think Sector 7 social the venue name and it is located in Chandigarh. So I went there and the vibe was literally crazy and as you can see the clips and I'll also attach it here, but literally vibe was so fucking amazing. I really enjoyed the vibe even though I did not enjoy the show that much, but the venue vibe was completely insane. Like Samir Raina की language में it was crazy भाई, crazy. Okay, so now let's just talk about the show. Show की timing थी 12 बजे. I reached there around 12:17. So 15 minutes मेरे already जा चुके थे तो I have not seen that part. So जब मैं गई वहाँ पे मुझे अच्छा लगा. मुझे करण औजला आया हुआ था, मस्त लगा, शो अच्छा था. इट्स नॉट दैट बैड. बट अगर मैं कंपेयर करूँ कि बाकी शोज़ के कंपैरिजन में तो आई रियली फेल्ट लाइक कि बाकी शोज़ ज़्यादा बेटर थे. बट आई रियली लव द पार्ट जब वहाँ पे एक लड़का आया था जो उसका ज़्यादा बॉडी नहीं था बट उसने अरिजीत सिंह का एक गाना ना, खामोशियाँ आवाज़ है, वो वाला गाना उसने गाया. उसने अपने हिसाब से बनाया हुआ था एंड दैट वाज रियली क्रेजी बिकॉज उसने बनाया हुआ था कमजोरियाँ कुछ ऐसा करके. इफ़ यू हैव वॉच दैट शो सो यू नो द थिंग. सो उसका वो वाला मुझे पार्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा. वो वाला कॉन्टेस्टेंट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. सो ओवरऑल शो अच्छा था बट इट्स लाइक कि मैंने हार्डली 45 मिनट्स ही वहाँ पे देखा एंड शो ख़त्म हो गया. एंड शो ओवरऑल अच्छा था. इट्स नॉट दैट बैड. बट अगर मैं कंपेयर करूँ कि मैं वहाँ घर से गई
एंड मैं वहाँ जाके देख रही हूँ, तो इट्स नॉट दैट वर्थ इट. इट्स नॉट वर्थ माई 546 रुपीज़ टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड ऑल्सो मैं पंचकूला से चंडीगढ़ गई, सो इट वॉज नॉट वर्थ इट दैट मच. बट या, आई एन्जॉयड द शो. एंड इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट होम वर्सेस वॉच पार्टी, I would definitely, I would suggest कि अगर तुम बहुत घर पे रह के पागल हो चुके हो, then you must go, you meet the new people, you have new experiences, so it's good to go. But अगर तुम ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं जाना चाहते तो I would say कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है वॉच पार्टी में जाके. तुम घर पे मस्त नेटफ्लिक्स लगाओ या यूट्यूब लगाओ and then you can watch the show. It's very simple as that and it's very easy to decide. But अगर तुम्हारे अंदर भी मेरे जैसे चुल है चीज़ें करने की, then definitely you go and फूको your money. Okay. So now I am about to talk the unexpected twist. जब मैं वहाँ गई, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग बैठे हुए थे, ठीक है. और वहाँ पे जितने भी लोग बैठे हुए थे वो सभी के या तो कपल्स थे या तो फ्रेंड ग्रुप्स में थे. मतलब मोस्टली लोग किसी ना किसी के साथ वहाँ पे आए थे संडे एंजॉय करने अपना. एंड वो एक काइंड ऑफ बार था, लाइक सोशल, द पीपल हु न्यू सोशल, सो उनको पता है कि सोशल एक बार भी है, वहाँ पे खाने पीने भी आते हैं लोग, वहाँ पे काम भी करते हैं लोग बैठ के, लाइक इट्स अ होलसम वाइब. सो जब मैं वहाँ गई, मेरे पास एक वेटर आता है एंड देन ही इज़ लाइक यू हैव टू बाय दिस कूपन, यू हैव टू पे 500 रुपीज़. आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्पेंड 546 रुपीज़ ऑन माई टिकट. एंड देन ही इज़ लाइक नो, यू हैव टू do this and you have to buy it. And I'm like, no, I don't want any food, I don't want any drink, I don't want to have anything right now. Then he was forcing me, and the guy who was sitting next to me, he's like, no, she came right now, no, she's not, she was not late. He's like, जिन्होंने 12 बजे के बाद एंट्री करी है उनको ये करना पड़ेगा ऐसा करके. एंड देन ही फ्लिप्ड कि नहीं 12 बजे की बात नहीं है, ये तो हम सभी को ही देते हैं कूपन, इसके अंदर तुम कुछ भी मंगा के खा सकते हो. एंड द गाय हु वाज सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी, ही वाज लाइक, नो मैम जो है वो 12 बजे ही आई थी, 12:03 के अराउंड. भाई उसने तो सफाई से झूठ बोला मेरे लिए. एंड ही इज़ लाइक कि नो इट्स नॉट दैट. एंड आई वाज लाइक थैंक यू सो मच यार. एंड आई थैंक्ड हिम. एंड आफ्टर द शो completed, I again thanked him that he was very sweet with me, so I thanked him again when I met him. Then हमने थोड़ी बहुत बात करी and then he asked me for the coffee. And at first I was not that really कि मैं कैसे जाऊँगी किसी अनजान आदमी के साथ ऐसे. But he was chill and वहीं पे हमने पास में Starbucks था. Then we had I had a chocolate shake there and he had his coffee. And then मैंने पहली बार ज़िंदगी में एक रैंडम इंसान से इतनी ज़्यादा बातें करी in person. And I have never been to such places, like ever. As the girl जो नहीं ऐसे इतने रैंडम लोगों से बात करती है. Yeah, I literally, क्योंकि हमारी स्टोरी सेम थी. You know what? He bought 4 tickets for his friends सो दैट वो उनके साथ वॉच पार्टी देखने जाए. लेकिन उसके फ्रेंड ने बोला कि नहीं यार वहाँ पे तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं, छोटी सी स्क्रीन लगी होगी ऐसे करके. एंड नो वन केम विद हिम बेचारे के साथ. एंड आई एम लाइक ओके. देन ही वेस्टेड हिज 2000 आई गेस. एंड देन वी हैड कॉफ़ी एंड शेक एंड देन we had a lot of gossips. I have never talked with any stranger that much, but yeah, it was fun. And then we had pasta, white sauce pasta. Like he gave me treat firstly in Starbucks, and then I gave him treat like a pasta and a momos platter. So yeah, I had a kind of good day spent with a stranger. But he was nice guy and he was a working professional, so definitely he was a nice guy. I wish that I got a job in Chandigarh or near Mohali because the vibe there is so amazing. Like the show was not that amazing, but my day spent very well because of the person, because of the vibe and everything. Like I really enjoyed my day. And वीडियो इतना वायरल ना करना कि मेरे घर पे पता लग जाए प्लीज़. After the event, as I said that I had things. I ate, I enjoyed, I gossiped with him. So I will read the things I had today. Okay, so firstly I had the chocolate shake. I first time went to the Starbucks, honestly, first time. It's not that I cannot afford that. I can go and afford that. I have like drink more expensive drinks than the Starbucks, but still I went there and I tried the chocolate shake. Chocolate shake was nice, not really very nice. I used to think कि Starbucks में कुछ ज़्यादा ही crazy चीज़ें होती होंगी, but it was not that nice. But yeah, chocolate shake पिया मैंने. And then I had white sauce pasta of Social. I loved it. I really loved it with garlic bread. Garlic bread was also yum. So I really enjoyed the food. I'm not a foodie literally, but yeah, I love the food. So after that I tried the momos platter, which was also nice. I tried in that platter there was different momos, like simple steamed, then the I don't know, garlic momos, and then the fried momos, and then the Manchurian, not Manchurian, Dumbo. It was about, what does it say? Szechuan momos. So that was a wholesome platter, and I tried everything, not the chili one, the Szechuan one. So I really enjoyed it, and I had the Coke in the end. Coke is mandatory, I feel like. So yeah, that's how my food was. So my overall experience about the show घर पे बैठ के देखा जा सकता था, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी जाने की, पैसे फूकने की फालतू में, बिकॉज वी हैव फूको और पैसा इन नेटफ्लिक्स सब्सक्रिप्शन, इन यूट्यूब प्रीमियम का सब्सक्रिप्शन, देन समय का मेंबर ओनली सब्सक्रिप्शन. सो देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट ऑफ गोइंग for a watch party until and unless Samir Raina is there. Then the venue was fucking nice. Venue was literally so nice. I honestly loved the vibe. It's been 6 months in the Tri-City. I have never experienced such thing before, so I really loved it, honestly. And then the crowd was crowding. There was a lot of crowd, honestly, and everyone was cheering for Samir Raina, and I also like this guy. So yeah, then value for money, it was definitely not the value for money. If you have to save your money, if you have to make a good decisions, you should not go to the Samir Raina's watch party again. And food after the event, it was so yum. As I said, everything was so yum. Otherwise मैं चीज़ें ट्राई करती हूँ तो वो कभी इतनी यमी नहीं होती, लेकिन या आज तो मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा था. लाइक इन द फर्स्ट आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि बहुत बेकार है, बट आई रियली enjoyed it. And then overall day I would say it was first half was like 50-50, and then it was 100. I am a bit tired, but honestly I love everything, all the unexpected memories I had today. I really love it. I really love my day today, honestly. It was worth the weekend. And what I learned, going alone is not a bad idea. You should go alone and you should meet random people. You should try new things. You should have fun. You should have a lot of new experiences in life. That's how you learn. That's how you grow. And in a city like Chandigarh, you will meet a lot of working professionals there. So it's a win-win situation in the end, I feel like. And then experiences are sometimes more memorable than the event itself. Definitely, event was not that memorable, but the experience was. And final verdict, would I recommend this watch party? Big no. No. Then who should attend? I think जिनके पास ज़्यादा पैसा है फालतू का, उनको अटेंड कर लेना चाहिए वॉच पार्टी. अदरवाइज़ मेरे जैसे गरीबों को तो घर पे बैठ के नेटफ्लिक्स पे देख लेना चाहिए, यूट्यूब पे. वुड आई बाय अनदर टिकट? Never ever in my life again I'm going to watch this watch party or like buy this ticket of watch party ever in my life. अगर उसका कॉन्सर्ट होता तो I would definitely think कि मुझे खरीदना चाहिए टिकट, but it was literally a panic decision I took, and it was a very bad decision of me. I honestly feel like but it's worth the thing because overall my whole like my day was my day spent well. English is not Englishing now. So my day spent well, so it's like, yeah, it was good. And then finally rating out of 10, so to show, like to not to show, just to watch party, going there and watching, I would suggest 7 out of 10. And otherwise, if I have to rate the show, then show was 10 out of 10. No, not bad, but not worth the watch party thing. You can enjoy your thing at home, sipping your coffee or doing anything else. But yeah, if you want to have an outing, if you want to meet random people, if you want to make your life a bit interesting or unexpectedly nice, so yeah, you should go out. If you are someone like me who lives in their room alone, then you should go. You should make some friends. If you are someone like me who doesn't have much friends, so yeah, you should go. You should explore things. You should enjoy your life at the end, right? So that's it for the video. I think it's too long, and to Samir and I would definitely say stop hosting these watch parties. But yeah, you can, but that was not worth my 5 or 6 rupees. So it was nice experience. If you are someone like me, want to save money, then don't go to watch parties. Enjoy your thing at home and watch his show on YouTube or Netflix. So bye bye.